Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be launching a membership profile. There are two threads. One is referred to as Wig Chat VIP, where I will delve into everything you'd ever want to know about wigs, to hair loss, red light therapy, serums that work, what you can do, as well as the style, be it synthetic or be it human hair. There are wigs and they're affordable for all of us at all levels. I also keep you updated on the top brands, the very top manufacturers, and I do the research for you and will always come on either in a short or in a video of sharing what their percentage discount is. Sometimes you can save up to 70%. That is my job. I want to help you so that you can save time when you go out to select the purchase of your wig. The other tier is a little bit more sophisticated in that this is really targeted for the career woman. It's called the Wig Chat Elite. We get into everything and they learn all about wigs and hair loss also. But more importantly, I want to really polish projects power is the series in which I really want to train up the women to be able to take over those companies. Or if you are an entrepreneur and you've developed a product and you really want it to be successful and want to spread it worldwide, you've got to learn the art of being polished. Men and women in the global marketplace will not take you seriously unless you know what you're doing. Not only with that business, but you must know how to respectfully debate when you walk in that boardroom. You have to know when to talk. When you're meeting and greeting that CEO, you have to know the proper forms of the handshake. And if they're from a different country, you have to also know those little idiosyncrasies. This will break or make a deal. If you don't know these, what I call cultural intelligence, if you do not have an awareness, not only in the global marketplace, but in the foreign marketplace and how to interact with people from all over the world, you will not be successful. I want to polish you. I was the first graduating class in 1986, Protocol School of Washington, D.C., where I learned to teach the CEOs, to presidents, to even elected officials, everything to know about diplomacy, the etiquettes, the protocol, the dining etiquettes, holding the wine glass, the toast, all those little things which you may laugh at thinking they're not important, but in the global marketplace, they really are. You've got to be polished and groomed and not only look the part, but know how to act the part. So in that particular membership, we will be doing a lot of even Zoom meetings, not so much the live through this platform, but actually Zoom meetings, because I feel sometimes in that platform, we all are so much aware with each other when I give you an assignment. And we practice this almost like I just love them. I just feel that I'm sitting right next to you as I'm speaking to you right now. So take a look at the two tiers. Please join, please sign up. And also, those that are members get my exclusive email. And so you can directly be in contact with me, not only through email and through our Zoom meetings, but also through telephone if need be. Have a great day. I'm so excited. This will bring us closer together. And as I reach out to you to help others and to learn from my journey, you too will be able to reach out to our whole community and share your experience. You are of value to me. Your experience is invaluable to all of us. So I welcome you today. Please join.